Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install Python environment in VS Code. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Okay, so I'm on this Stack Overflow website. So first of all, you have to open up Visual Studio Code on your Windows PC, and then just go to menu, file, preferences, then settings, and then just click on workspace settings. Under files association, in the JSON tab, schema section, you will find edit in settings.js.json. Click on it, click on that, and then just update python.default interpreter path to your VNV path, VNV Python under workspace settings for Windows. For Windows, update python.default interpreter path to your VNV path scripts python.exe under workspace settings. And after that, you just have to restart Visual Code in case if it still doesn't show your VNV. There's a note, use python.python path instead of python.default interpreter path for older versions. So this is how you do it. I'll also put this Stack Overflow link in the description down below, so or you can just search for how can I set up virtual environment for Python in Visual Studio Code on stackoverflow.com, and you will get this answer. So if you found this video to be helpful, guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.